Welcome back to our calculator series. So today we are going to learn how we can use the BA2 Plus Professional Calculator to compute depreciation. The focus of this learning will be on the straight line and double declining balance depreciation methods. I would like us to look at this example. So a company purchased a piece of equipment and the purchase price was $80,000. This equipment has 10-year useful life and it has a salvage value of $8,000. The question says that we should calculate the annual depreciation expense using the straight line method. Now, the straight line depreciation method has a very simple formula, which is just the cost of the equipment minus salvage value all over useful life. So basically, we have 80,000 minus 8,000 all over 10. And that should give us 7,200. Now, but for the sake of the calculator lovers, let's learn how we can use the BA2 Plus Professional Calculator to compute this. So after we must have turned on our BA2 Plus Professional Calculator, we press second function, we press 4. Now, once we press second function 4, I expect you to see SL, which signifies straight line. In case you are not seeing SL in your own calculator, press second function, enter, and keep on pressing it till you see SL. Once you have seen SL, you stop. The next step will be to clear the memory of that cell. And to clear the memory, you press second function, you press CEC. Now, once you have cleared the memory, we can now go ahead and start imputing the figures. So we'll press arrow down, which is this. The first thing we'll see is LIF. That's the life of the equipment. So we'll press 10. Then we'll press enter. We'll press arrow down again. We'll see MO1. We'll press arrow down again. We'll see CST, which is the cost of the equipment. So we are going to put 80,000. We'll press enter. We'll press arrow down. We'll see SAL, which is the salvage value. We are going to put 10. We'll press enter. We'll press arrow down again. We are going to see the year. So since this is a straight line depreciation, we are going to have the same depreciation expense for all the whole years. So we'll leave it at anything. We'll press arrow down again and we'll see the depreciation expense. And our depreciation expense is $7,200. Let us also look at this second example. So a company purchased a new machine and the purchase price was $100,000. And this new machine has a useful life of 5 years and it has a salvage value of $10,000. We are asked to compute the depreciation expense for year 3 using the double declining balance method. Now we are going to still follow the same process we used for the last question. So once we turn on our calculator, we'll press second function, we press 4. Now once you press 4, your calculator will still be showing SL. But the question says that we should use the declining balance method. So what we need to do first of all is to change our calculator to the double declining balance. So for us to do that, we'll press second function, enter. So we keep on pressing second function, enter, till we see the calculator show us dB. So that dB is the double declining balance. So we are going to leave it at 200. Then the next step is to clear the memory of our calculator. So to clear the memory, we'll press second function, we'll press CEC. We can now go ahead and impute our figures. So the next thing we do, we'll press arrow down. Once we press arrow down, we see life. So the useful life is 5 years. So we are going to press 5. We'll press enter. We'll press arrow down again. We'll press arrow down again. We see CST, which is the cost. So we are going to press 100,000 and we press enter. We'll press arrow down. We'll see SAL. We are going to put 10,000 and we'll press enter. We'll press arrow down again. We'll see year. Now, that year denotes the year we are searching for the depreciation. So for this example, what we are asked for was the depreciation expense for year 3. So we are going to put 3 there and we'll press enter. So if you were asked for the depreciation of year 2, you put 2 there and press enter. So we'll press arrow down and the calculator will show us that our depreciation for year 3 is $14,400. Although we're not asking this question, but if you want to get the remaining book value, you press arrow down again and you're going to see that the remaining book value is $12,500. I would now like us to pause this video and attempt to use what we just learned to solve this example. If you did it correctly, the right answer is C. If you didn't get C, I would like you to rewatch the steps we just followed and apply it.